What's up, everybody? This is Luke, and today I'm talking about the easiest way to germinate apples from seed. So I have commonly heard and read that only about 1 in 10,000 apple seeds will truly become this great tasting apple. Fruit enthusiasts believe that number to be massively exaggerated, but for the sake of this video, I'm gonna show you the easiest way to germinate apple seeds in particular, and that is via winter sowing. So for winter sowing of apple seeds, you're gonna wanna obtain your seeds or process your seeds no later than mid-December. And then around winter solstice time, you're gonna take those seeds, broadcast them out by hand, and preferably underneath a conifer tree. I know it sounds funny. I've found underneath conifer trees, we've had the best results. And actually, we also seem to have the best of luck when broadcasting those apple seeds over the snow. And then after you sow those seeds, throw some leaves on top to protect the seeds from frost. Now fast forward to March or April, and almost all of those seeds will have germinated, which by that point, I let them grow together underneath that tree before then transplanting them into a 4x12 inch pot come June. By the end of the growing season, we can expect as much as 3 feet or more of growth. And if you follow all of these steps with their respective timing, then you'll be able to get that much growth as well. So if you enjoyed this video, then hit that like or share button, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel because it really helps us out. And we'll see you in the next video, and happy growing.